So welcome back to my channel. Let's take a look at my new Hobonichi Weeks 2019 Mega Weeks, by the way, set up. And I'm going to show you what's inside and how I'm going to use it for 2019, as well as a little bit of other stuff. There's a lot in this video. It's going to be a very long video, so make sure to grab a cup of chocolate, hot chocolate, coffee, tea, whatever you would like, and maybe some popcorn, because it's going to be long. Okay, so this is my new Hobonichi Weeks for 2019, and this is the Hobonichi Weeks Mega. It's mega because it has a lot more of the note pages at the back, and this is how it looks like. I'm going to show you a regular week. So this is my 2018 through 2019 school planner. So it's a school regular weeks, and it looks kind of the same now because I have used this, so it has gotten really chunky. But if you can see, this is an unused one, and then this is a used one. I don't know, this is my first Hobonichi Weeks Mega, and this is in the Starwberry Latte. And I got the Hobonichi cover on cover, so it's shiny. It's just a clear one. So you can purchase the cover on cover, so the plastic cover here, separately in the Hobonichi store, which is where I got this planner as well. There was a group buy with a couple of friends, and we just shared shipping. So when you open it, it looks like this, and I'm sure you've seen this in all the videos where I flip through the front of my planner. So I'm keeping this blank. There's a new thing that I saw online, and it is about making this into a vision board. I thought about it, but I decided against it in the end. I wanted to keep it clean because I really like the pattern here. So all Mega Weeks so far that I've opened have this pattern. It's just hobo all around, and I thought that was really pretty, and it's really something that only Hobonichi has more than anything else. I think this is what I call iconic, and I wish that there were more accessories with this pattern. If you hear noises, that's my printer. I'm printing inserts for myself, which I will show you later when it's all set up. So this is what it looks like. And then, so instead of putting a vision board on this page, I actually put it inside of this front page. So let me show you what this looks like before I put stuff on it. So this is the 2018. So this is the front. This is our new sticker Joy that was released on Black Friday. And this is from Craft with a Domestic Diva. Mitzi, hello. Thank you so much for this personalized name vinyl. And this is what it's supposed to look like. It's supposed to have Hobonichi Techo. Now instead of 2018, it's 2019. And then it shouldn't have weeks. And it says also Mega. But I covered that up with this giant sticker. So all of these are my 2019 resolutions, or goals and targets. So they are all bunched together in here in a way that it will resonate with me. So this is highly personal to me. You don't have to do it exactly like this, but I thought it would be a great idea to use this page instead of it's just saying Hobonichi, etc., etc., because it has 2019 here. I know this is Hobonichi, so I thought, redundant, let's spice up this page. So this is what it looks like, and then we have this. So this sticker came from this. This is the Resolutions 1. This is the Tier 1 rewards for Black Friday 2018. So if you ordered from my shop, and I think this is the $30 reward. If your order reached $30, then you would get this for free. This is not in the shop and will not be available in the shop until the next Black Friday, in which case I think maybe I'll put this up as a freebie as well. Maybe I'll reformat, I don't really know, but definitely for the rest of the year until next Black Friday, this will not be in the shop. So this is the first page, and this is what that is. And then I also used these. So what I did was I have major events. So these are shop and school events right here. These are not the like birthdays and stuff. That's not what this is. And it also is not like my actual goals and target. This should be down here, but never mind that. So these are the things that I need to prepare for. These are big events, like I have publications, Black Friday, Christmas in July. So all of these. And then at the bottom, or right below that, at the second half of the page, so you can see here, these are my goals and targets. So here we have some health stuff. I want to read more, definitely. Some health stuff, you know, because I want more energy to do more things. I need to hydrate, eat well, and do some exercise. Even small or very short exercises throughout the day. I want to get that done. So that's my project. And then I want to sleep better because I have problems with insomnia, etc., etc. So these are just some of the things that you can write down, but you have to really take your time, because I really took maybe a couple of days, maybe 3 days total, but I was doing it like small portions per day for maybe 2 weeks, total of 2 to 3 days if you compute it in hours. That's how long it took for me to actually get to this. I know it doesn't say a lot, but I mean, there's nothing like really complicated that I wrote down, but you know, I wanted to be at a place where things I write down, the more simple it is, it means that I've thought about it more. Do you get that? It's hard to explain right now. I don't know why. Maybe because I haven't filmed a video in a while. I did film yesterday. So next you get this page, which, oh my gosh, we should decorate this page. Maybe I will grab something from my kits later. If you hear plastic, that's me trying to see if I actually printed it. I forgot to print one, but I'm sure I have calendar kits somewhere hanging around somewhere. So I'm going to do this today. Let's see if I reach this page. So this is the monthly. This is the December Geometric 2018. We will be taking down all the 2018 monthlies all the way to the December monthly because it's very confusing. So I will take this down, but I will announce it, or if I should have already announced this on the website or my Facebook page, which is paperjoyph Planning World. So if you want to be updated with all the things, because I keep forgetting to do them, I keep procrastinating also, make sure to join our Facebook page. So this page uses this sticker. This is the January Romantic. So these are the 2019 monthlies. The last year we used the cute. So this was the November cute. So this was the, what do you call that? Like the special kit. Oops. This year, it is the romantic, so it will change every year. However, we do have the geometric, which will stay forever and ever. So every year, there will be a geometric version of the monthly kits forever and ever and ever. And maybe 5 years. Ooh. Okay, so this is what it'll look like, and maybe I'll do that later, but I want to flip through some of the pages that I've already done. So this planner starts its weekly pages in November. So if this is your first time to purchase the 2019 Hobonichi, this year it's gonna be starting at the first day of, well, the last week of November, because that covers December, but I did not use it then. I was using my other planner. I have a flip through of that. Let me see if I can link it down below, but that is part of the countdown to Black Friday. And this is the first week that I actually used this. This is December, maybe second week of December, or rather third week of December. And then I have also used it here. And this is this week. I haven't actually finished it. And I actually did something new. I kind of figured out that I want to use the space. I want to fill it up with all the goodies. So I still did the cover here, the checklist, the bottom bar right there, and the other bottom bar. So these are like my complete staple. So this is new. I put this up here because all my trackers are here. So this area of my planner, the weekly pages of here, is for home and for personal stuff. So here we have vitamins, and I haven't actually filled this out. It's actually Friday today, and I can't fill this out here. I haven't been dieting very much. I haven't been posting social media. I have been keeping up with skincare. I just hadn't updated it yet. So today is the 28th, and so I don't have anything on the 28th yet except for film. Well, same thing here, film, etc. Okay, so at the bottom I have my goals. So I have my trackers here, my notes here for anything I need to do. Here are my to-dos, and then this is today's events or whatever's happening. Something came up, then they all go here. That's why they're blank. I mostly fill up this side and sometimes this side. And then at the bottom I have my goals, which is now I'm only going to keep it to 1. So this is my week's goals, and then my week's targets is to buy presents, gift wrap presents, and confirm all the events for the 25th. So I'm actually at a lag time. 27, 28 are lag times, because in terms of events, because we don't have anything scheduled. And then that is what you have. Here are some blank ones, and then towards the back you have this. And so the reason that I got a Mega Weeks is because I wanted to use the notes pages as a different planner. I know, revolutionary. Okay, and so this area is supposed to be the notes pages. Let me show you what it's supposed to look like without all the decoration that I put on there. Okay, so this is what it's supposed to look like. So it says notes, pages, and a bunch of lines. So the bunches of lines are still here. This is from Happy Planner. I bought a lot of Happy Planner. I'm gonna film like a haul of 2018 sticker books that I will be using. So these are some just alpha letter stickers that are like a bronze glitter thing. I really like it. It's very thick. It's like chipboard material, but not as thick. So I like that. I have a little bit of washi there. So all of this is going to be my shop planner. So how do I do that? How do I make 2 weeks in one? So this is the calendar kit. Oh, and then I put the monthly here. By the way, this one and this one and this one are from Whimsical Cat. This is the December Cute, and this is from Crafted and Domestic Diva. Hello, Mitzi. Once again, we are very, very good friends. I'm sure a lot of her stuff is also from my shop. I'm hoping that she's using the stuff I gave her. Comment down below, Mitzi, if you use the stuff that I give you. And there we go. So this is the December, and we haven't actually finished. We are on this day. Okay, we had our Boxing Day sale, 15 to 20% off. If you are a subscriber to the newsletter, you actually got a letter, an email, giving you the 20% off code. If you're not subscribed, then you can use the 15% off code that is on the website. I actually wrote it down on the website. And then this is for January. I think this is gonna be for another video. Yahoo! I'm not very good at sneaking things. So that is how I put it up. You can actually do this very, very easily. It's not going to match every single box. Like example for here, I do have a space there. Normally I wouldn't, in an actual monthly page, I will not be able to see any space here. But for here you do, and then at the bottom you have a little space there, but it's not a problem. It's actually really easy to do. At first I was thinking maybe it's really hard. No, it ain't. It's real easy. Oh, and also here you have, so these boxes are supposed to be like right next to each other, but because this is not a monthly page, they actually have a gap in between, and I thought that was okay. I mean, I barely see it now. And so that's what I'm going to do here. I just wrote down in pencil January all the way to notes, December. And then I have a notes page, and I think I have another notes page here. Yes, so this is the 2019 goals of the shop. I should not be showing you this, but I am. So these are the things to be expecting. I'm not really sure if I'm gonna do Fukubukuro this year because I don't have enough stock. We were like just being very good at production. So this is the first week of my shop planner section. So I do have a lot of stuff here. And because this is just grid, I'm free to do whatever I would like. So I put the bottom bar up at the top. And then this is the deco. And then this is the checklist that you usually use for the side. So it's the same place. But here, for the dates, I moved it so I can have a little bit of space here just for a highlight of the day. Maybe a goal for the day. Because, you know, our shop does take a lot of time. And I want to just focus on things so that I use my time wisely. And then I have top 3 goals, priorities, and then goals for the week, which I changed up now. And then I have my bottom bar here just to make it really, you know, inviting for me to see, to take a look at. And then this is just highlights of the week. Now I changed it up the next time. So this is the same, although the bottom bar, or rather this page, has remained the same. This moved up there, and I wanted to make the entire thing here because of all the faces of the animals in honor of my love for animals. So here I did not do the grid anymore. I did a giant to-do list because this was going to be the week before Christmas, and we were just preparing for releasing kits the next week, because this week, apart from, I think they closed on the 21st, so just production, and then on the 21st we had to just take a forced vacation from the shop. The shop takes so much time right now because of the holiday rush. Usually I would be able to do other things in the day to right now because of all the holiday things, the Black Friday things, the Boxing Day things. It's just shop all day. That's why I'm glad that I have today to do, because today is the last day the post office is open. So we're just sending out orders today. Next time we're at the post office to send orders is the 2nd of January. And then this is this week. So Boxing Day sale, and then a bunch of to-dos right there. I'm not sure if I'm going to return to this. Hang on. To this. But this works out right now. Ta-da! So I have my notes up here, which is the main thing that I need to do actually, which is to design kit number 2. And as you can see there, I have so many formats to complete. And I'll talk more about that when I post my new releases video. I want to get good at YouTube as well as releasing all the kit types